Hello everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very easy no-bake cookies and cream tart. It's perfect for the summer, you don't even have to turn the oven on, so just pop it in the fridge and wait until it sets. Let's get into this, shall we? So, you'll need for the base you'll need some crushed up Oreos and butter. For the filling, you'll need some more chopped Oreos, white chocolate, some salt, and cream in a pot. Alright, now we'll switch this on so it's nice and hot. And this is very easy. We're gonna put the butter in with the Oreos. Don't put all of it in just in case you don't need it. And give it a mix. The consistency should resemble wet sand, so this is nice. See, I didn't use all of it, so be careful. Okay, so let's get it in. This is a loose bottom tin. This is used for cheesecakes, so it will make it easier to get it out. If not, you're gonna have a bit of a hard time to get this out. Okay, so pop it in. Make sure it's not all in the middle and it's nice and distributed evenly. Okay, so this is ready. We're gonna put it in the fridge while we make the filling. Okay, so now let's make the ganache. This is very simple. This is just cream that's been bubbling away. It's nice and hot. This is off and just put it over your chocolate and let it melt. Okay, so the ganache is nice and ganache. Keep mixing it. It might look like it's split, but don't worry, just keep mixing, it will settle. Alright, we're gonna add a good hefty pinch of salt because it needs this. It's very sweet. Oreos and white chocolate are inherently very sweet, so you need that little bit of salt. Just take it off the edge of being too achingly sweet. Okay, add the Oreos. We have the base that has come out of the fridge, and we're gonna put the filling in. Scrape all the ganache out. Okay, so you can see that all the Oreos are on one side of the pan. We're gonna move them so there's an even distribution of Oreos, so everyone gets a bite. Now this goes into the fridge for about an hour, and then we're ready. Okay, so this is now half set, and we're gonna add some more Oreos on top for some decoration, and we'll leave it to continue setting in the fridge. These are whole, you can cut them up if you want to arrange them however you'd like. I'm going for whole ones. Okay, so we'll put this back in the fridge. Tart is. That's really good. If you really like Oreos, you'll love this. And also white chocolate because it's made with white chocolate ganache. So if you don't like white chocolate, you're not gonna like this. But if you really like white chocolate and Oreos, like me, you will absolutely love this. I hope you make this recipe. Okay, so here's the finished tart. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is very simple, so I hope you actually make it. And leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a new video, and see you next week. Bye bye!